Got me something here I want y'all to check out. I'm glad y'all stopped in too. I wish you'd stop in and help, because look what I got. I got a couple crates. I got one big crate and one big box. I know what's going on in there. I'm gonna open it up. Alright, I ain't got very far. I'm already running into some difficulty. It said when I read the instructions on this apparatus, 2-people project. I don't have 2 people. I got me. I got one old roaster. So let's see what we can do. So far, it's a Gantry crane. If you ain't figured it out, I got this beam up and got it up over here on the lift table. It's out of the way, and now I got the 2 uprights to contend with. Right now, I don't even know which end's up on that thing. I don't know what I'm gonna figure out, but I'm gonna figure something out. Yeah, I don't know how I'm gonna get them 2 big old hunks of metal moved around and bolted up. I probably ain't gonna even show you that. Probably gonna be some embarrassing moments there. We'll find out. Hey, y'all gonna have to bear with me. Let me get all this stuff out of this box. This is turned into more than I thought. Put my hat on. It got more pieces than I wanted it to be. Good news is all these pieces is heavy. The bad news is all these pieces is heavy. Give me a minute, let me get organized. It's a mess. I just use my dolly, pull that thing down there. It says 2 people. I believe them. Alright, I got a handle on everything that's in the box. And before I get any further into this, let's go over this Gantry crane from Harbor Freight. This is what you're gonna get when you open the box up. You're of course gonna get that beam that runs across the top. You're gonna get an upright for both left and right, and I don't know that it matters left or right on these things. We're fixing to find out. And then at the base, get over here and look. At the base, you've got you got one for each side, a left and a right, doggone. And you got 4 braces. On the smaller side of things, I don't know what this is. It looks like maybe it's some kind of lock handle. We'll get into that. I don't know. The casters seem to be quite robust. You got 4 of them. Are all of them lockers? No. 2 lockers and 2 that do not. And a big bag of hardware. Well, at least get a brief look at what they have to offer before we think we know everything. Hey, this program will resume after I have sorted this hardware. I got my hardware sorted out and I know what I got going on now. I think so. Yeah, just let me get busy. I'm stuck. I don't know what to do from here. Let me go scratch my noggin and figure out where I'm at. I'm like a quarter of the way there. Let me go figure it out. This guy will be away. I can do this. I figure it out, I come back. I got that rascal hung, and the only time I had to get on the ladder was to hang the hoist. My wife just came out here and she's a little mad. Y'all give me a minute. I gotta get this thing settled in. We're almost at the point where I'm almost ready to use these and kind of, we're almost there.
Go good or bad?
My wife made all this happen. Y'all thank her. I'm still alive. Woo! I don't know how. It's through a series of unfortunate events, but yet I do have this thing standing. I do. And it's almost like it stood up all by itself. No joke. Let me get some of my mess cleaned up here. That's a major accomplishment for a short man. Thank y'all.